All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get it up on this. Now, what we're gonna do is this drum is articulated, meaning it can turn left and right and forward and reverse. So what we want to do is we're going to pick a path and we're going to drive straight, and then we're going to drive straight back off of it, and then we'll make our turn out here in the pine straw area, where if this gets messed up, we don't care. We just don't want all that weight sitting on the green and turning it like a car tire, because then it'll pull the material and stretch it, and then we're in a big mess. So pro tip, just drive straight, come back off the green, change your angle off the green, and then continue on. Now you can see it's pretty heavy, and we actually already created some wrinkles here, so we're going to have to go ahead and get those out.